In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your email on a Windows 11 laptop using the built-in Mail app. This is an easy and efficient way to keep track of all your emails in one place without needing to rely on web browsers or third-party applications. So, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 laptop is turned on and ready to go. Once it's up and running, you'll want to direct your attention to the Start menu, which you can find on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. This is the hub where you can access all of your applications and settings. Just click on that Windows icon and you'll see a search bar appear. In this search bar, type in Mail and you'll find the Mail app listed among the results. This app is pre-installed on your device, so you don't need to download anything extra. Go ahead and click to open it. Once you're in the Mail app, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a pane with several options. Here, you will see Accounts, which is where we'll head next. Simply click on Accounts and then on Add Account. Now you'll be presented with a selection of email providers to choose from. Whether you use Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or another major provider, you should find your service listed here. Pick your email provider by clicking on it, which will begin the process of integrating your email into the app. At this stage, the app will prompt you to enter your email address and password. These credentials allow the app to access your emails securely. Carefully type them in, making sure there are no typos, especially since passwords are often case sensitive. Once you're sure everything is correct, proceed by following any further on-screen instructions. These instructions will guide you through the rest of the setup process, which often is just a few clicks to confirm permissions and synchronization settings. It's designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. There may be a confirmation page or two to agree to, especially if your email provider has additional steps for security or privacy. When you finish these steps, the Mail app will start syncing your emails. This might take a little time, especially if you have a large inbox or a slow internet connection, but don't worry, the wait will be worth it. Soon you'll have all your emails neatly organized within the app, ready for you to read, reply, or organize. That's all there is to it. You now have your email set up on your Windows 11 laptop using the Mail app. Feel free to explore the app's features, such as organizing emails into folders, creating new messages, and managing multiple accounts, all from one convenient location. Thanks for following along, and I hope you enjoy the newfound ease of checking your emails on your Windows 11 laptop.